Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. Okay, thank you so much for your flying heart. Thank you. So I hope that today we will gain victory. A lot of victory together in today's live session. Yeah, do you still remember these two scalping signal that I posted on my previous stream with you? Yeah, those are just the buy signal. Yeah, when after I ended my stream and this buy signal ran around 70 pips, and for the sell signal, yeah, at the entry zone 58 to 59. Yeah, after that it's gaining mostly 100 pips. Yes, as I remember. So congratulations everyone that was joined in my stream, and together we can profit. Okay, so you can see that yesterday, yeah, when we have the CPI, yeah, CPI economic data, and this, okay, so let's go back to the past a bit. Yeah, this is the number that increasing 0.1%, right? Higher than the forecast. So this is reflect that the US inflation is still increasing, and there's no action in the rate cut in this month at least. And about September, there's so much rumors about this, that the rate cut in September. But there's no official news at all. So all things is need to waiting, and time will answer to us. Hi Dina, hi Chen, hi Siren, hi Patak. Oh, thank you so much, Dina. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that moment too. And as always, the gold started dropping steadily in the early New York session. Yeah, when the CPI economic data release. But in today Asian and London session, after moving sideways, and now it's bounced back at the support level. It's here around let me check, 33.24. Yeah, 33.24. And yesterday in my VIP signal group, we gained a lot of profits when we trade news together with my VIP members. Okay, so let me show you this. You can see the summarized number, yeah, summarized result that I posted on the right corner of the chart. Yeah, for the sales gapping signal at the entry zone 51 to 52, that my VIP members gain 260 pips. Okay. And if you want to trade with me through 3 main sessions and trade news with a golden girl, welcome to the VIP signal group to gain profit together. And also, this is touch good a bit that my trading account is kinda, yeah, have the positive recently. Okay, let me show you this. Yeah, this is the trading result of the golden girl yesterday. Profit 37, yeah, 37,000. So I also received the negative comments on my previous streams, and this is the proof that I can do it. Yeah, I can recover right after the mistake, and also the unexpected issues from the market that it was challenging or manipulated by the big players. So you can see that by imposing the risk management lesson. Wow, yeah, because I also have nearly 8 years experience in this trading journey, right? So yeah, I can control my psychology and also the risk management lesson so that I can remain the good profit. You can say that there are also a lot of strategy. We can do better than this. Voice is cut off. Really? Okay, so is it okay for you to hear? Yeah, trading is unpredictable. Yeah, it is. I agree with you. Okay. Yeah, so this is just a brief reminder to all of my friends and all of my VIP members that if you want to increasing your winning rate, yeah, you have to enter as much as signals you can. Yeah, because trading is always probability. Yeah, and no one can guarantee 100% winning rate for one signal. Yeah, which means there's no holy grounds, right? So if you want to uh, know how to practice, yeah, if you want to practice, you want to get the advice for this trading journey, okay, you can send me a direct message and I will share with you and I will answer every single question from you all. Okay, thank you very much. And go back to gold chart and you can see that now it's recovered from the support 33.24 and now it's have the bearish reaction from the cluster, yeah, EMA cluster here. The crossover between EMA 34 and EMA 89. Yeah, this is because those EMA above the candle, so now they are acting as the mobile resistance. And before I start my stream today, yeah, in my VIP signal group that almost have around 40 pips from the entry zone sell 41 to 42. Okay, so it's kind of pity that I cannot start my stream earlier to set up this sell scalping signal to trade with you. But anyway, yeah, we have around 4 hours to trade real time together, so I hope that there are gonna be more occasion, yeah, opportunity for us, right, to gain profit today. Yeah, everyone always have the same feeling, getting afraid when to cut, and we need to practice. That's why we need time to practice every single day. We cannot be professional traders within a short time, yeah, especially for beginners, and especially for a beginner have luck. Yeah, that is the most dangerous things. uh, no one can have luck forever. So we need to practice the risk management lesson, yeah, capital management, and also how to follow risk reward ratio and set up for the good position. So it's very normal for that psychology and we need to practice every single day. And good luck. And also that I posted my trading plan, yeah, gold trading plan in my VIP community. Oh, sorry, yeah, both my community on Telegram and also the yeah, you can see the signal, yeah, the limit signal on your left side of the chart. So sometimes that the market challenging and there's some stop loss orders, but for the day that the market support for my analysis, that I always try my best to recover your trading capital. And the main issues is that we must be patient, yeah, and be stable every single day. We know that sometimes it's gonna be challenging and a lot of difficult for us when we trade, right? But don't worry, the next time, yeah, for a few days later, that the market will become more easy, yeah, become easier to trade. And that time we need to capitalize all the actions of the market and maximize the profit every single day that we can. And yesterday was an example. Yeah, as you can see that my trading account result yesterday. So be positive and stay calm. Yeah, don't be so irritated whenever just have a few stop loss order. That's just the one that we do not want, right? We never want to have the stop loss order. But yeah, we need to accept that. Stop loss is a part of the game. And if you already prepare for good psychology, yeah, stable emotion when you trade, yeah, that's just a normal thing. So just relax. And there are some tips that I usually share with you on my stream, every single stream that I share with you. That's how about the close the bad positions or close the part of your trade and hold to the further taking profit level. So we need to learn by heart because it's kind of easy and short. Yeah, that is just a short sentence like the order that you need to learn by heart when we trade real time, especially in the New York session. And if you are a professional trader and you love trading by adding a lot of layers, that's just fine because you already have experience and you can manage all the order on your mobile phone quickly. But remember, always set the stop loss because we don't know that price gonna be slippery, right? Especially when news about to release. You can see that this candle yesterday. Yeah, this candle yesterday when CPI after the core CPI economic data release, gold dropping steadily. Yeah, drastically with this engulfing. It's nearly engulfing, bearish engulfing candle. Okay, thank you so much, Prahlad, for your compliment. Yeah, that is just all that I want to share all my experience and all the lessons that I have learned to all of you that you can do it better. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you. And now I'm still waiting for further actions to set up the scalping signal. Maybe it's coming back to below support here around 33.25. I will consider based on the price action, yeah, and set up another level, another entry zone. Okay, so that is the conditions when the market break down the below EMA or the below support and head into the below support around 33.25. If it's heading back, it's reverse and continue its bullish momentum to the level 33.40. Okay, so let's see that the market support for any sell or buy scalping signal based on my analysis. And above above rectangle that I draw was the support, and yesterday in the New York session, yeah, the candle break down, yeah, break down drastically and now it's heading to that previous support now become the resistance. And this candle create a fair value gap area, as always, right? And in the early Asian session that the market moving sideways at the bottom, and it takes time for the market observe the against momentum. Bearish and the sellers and the buyers take time to fight at this area, at this bottom. And now this is confirmed candle to recover and show the determine of the bullish very strongly heading to the current support level. Previous support level now become the resistance. Anyway, that's in the broader view that the market's still moving sideways. The market's still moving sideways at the zone 3320 to 3373. Around 40 price. This is just a range. This is the range of the market moving sideways based on the 4-hour chart. And with this bullish momentum and based on the experience that we trade real time together 4 times, right? So I have to observe and my own analysis for today London session that is gonna break this resistance. The markets will break it and heading to the previous peak, which was formed yesterday around the highest price around 33.64 to 66. Because those are two continuous bearish candle, so it's lack of liquidity. It's lack of liquidity. So now the market have to have the more movement, to make things more reasonable. Okay, let me check if we can draw a trend line from this area. Okay, so based on the 4-hour chart that we can connect 3 near bottom together to have a below trend line, like this. And this is still the market moving sideways. But you can see that the current peak is getting higher and higher, right? It's heading upward. For this trend line, I would like to delete it because it's breakdown already. Based on the 4-hour charts that we can draw the channel of the price moving like this. So this is the action to identify the zone, market moving zone. Okay, you know that there's a lot of trading accounts that I have currently. Maybe around 5 trading accounts. Because I don't want to put all my money into one account only. So this is my personal, all of them was my personal, and the one I usually share with you in the VIP signal group was also one of my trading accounts. So this is one of them that I will share with you the profits. Because I cannot show all, right? I cannot do it. So I just pick one of them and show you with you. Okay, so now it's have the coming back to the bolus, but yeah, you can see the body of the candle is kind of narrowed. Now the market is still moving sideways, and we need some time to wait. Okay. So based on the reason, the privacy reason, so yeah, this is the account I would like to share with you. And I do not want to public many trading accounts on the public stream. Yeah, to prevent any unpredictable reason, unexpected reason as well. Okay, I hope you understand, and thank you very much. And also recently that I also received the uh, chat box from my members that they reported to me. Yeah, a lot of scammers. A lot of scammers have the name. They take my names, Nova Scalper community, to scam another people that they do not know. And yeah, this is the photos I will share with you. So I'm afraid that I don't want you to have the same situation. They copy my name, yeah, and introduce you to join their community like this. And this is the fake one. Yeah, this is the fake one. Yeah, you can say that the account Emily X. Yeah, she sent a direct message to my VIP members, and yeah, they fake my name Nova Scalper method. So this is officially, yeah, scammers. So this is the reason why I do not want to public many trading account results on my public stream on YouTube. And whenever you receive any introduction message like this, okay, please send to me and I will report them. And also I prepare the notifications on my community on Telegram to get you clear about this scammer. And this is very dangerous. It's affect to my reputations and also to the trust you send to me. Yeah, you have with the Nova Scalper. Only way possible is copy trading. Okay, so yeah, as I tried to explain with you many times, that copy trading, to be honest, that just for the lazy. Yeah, just for the lazy. And we're just traditional trader. Yeah, I just follow traditional way. So you can do it. You can manage by yourself. No one can interact. Yeah, no one can interact to your trading account. And copy trading is only for the lazy traders. Yeah, to be honest. Because you just have the good result in the beginning, but it's just short time. Yeah, it's just short time. And then when the market have challenging like this, like recent days, and the bot have some issues that you cannot claim to anyone, right? So this is the reason why I still do not approve for trading, copy trading. If you don't have time, because I have signal from 3 main sessions. Yeah, Asian, London, and New York. Whenever you have time, you can enter the trade. Yeah, because my main purpose is just do the sharing knowledge. Yeah, sharing knowledge and signals to own traders have their demand. Yeah, I want to maximize their profit. So that is the best way I can address you. I can advise you for this journey. Yeah, thank you so much, Muhammad. And yeah, as always, that trading is probabilities. So if you want to increase your trading volume, please enter enough trading signal. Yeah, especially that in the New York session, we need to manage everything fast, right? BTC, according to BTC, that so far I just prepared for the analysis, technical analysis that I uploaded on my community on Telegram. Yeah, public community on Telegram. And for the BTC signal, that I still haven't had time yet because most of the time I focus to currency pairs and gold trading. Okay, and in the future, yeah, in the near future, I would like to spend it. Okay, I would like to check my time and have some BTC signals in my VIP signal group. And you can also refer the report that I posted on my Telegram community. Yeah, I put a link in the description box. You copy it and paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and you click to it, and then you can subscribe for my channel. Yeah. And now gold is still moving between two near EMA. Yeah, maybe three. Yeah, EMA cluster. So it takes some time for us to wait. And I still considering the price actions. Yeah, the price movement to the below and above level that are already marked. Okay, let me show the price tag here. Yeah, it is just. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. Takes a lot of time and patience. It is. And for the professional trading professional traders, that we cannot know that every day they can maintain their high level of winning rate, right? So yeah, actually that's in the bottom of my heart that I do not encourage you to follow the copy trading. Yeah, it's very risky. It's very risky. Because even myself have mistake. Yeah, even myself have a mistake, and we can how to say, we can control. Yeah, we can control our trading account real time. So for the bot, you leave it the missions to the bot to manage your trading account. That is more risky. Wow, Josh, so impressive. Yeah, that is such an impressive number. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I hope that you can inspire your trading journey, yeah, to other friends, and yeah, so let everybody knows that this is very difficult time and it really taking time to earn money. Yeah, and you need to have the stable psychology when you trade, especially for the challenging market. Yeah, like days ago. So in order to get good results like this, it's not easy at all. we need to check the whole process. Yeah, we need to learn whole process, not only looking at the result. Oh, do you know what do you want me to get your advice? Because the message was deleted by the chat box. Nightbot deleted. Okay, so now market is still moving sideways. It's kind of boring in the early London session, right? Oh, just zoom it out. Yeah, if you want to gain the profits, big profits like Jaws, so do your capital need to big well. Okay, and just 5% for a week, right? For a day, 5% for a day. It's a very impressive number. Because that's Jaws can follow his satisfying. Yeah, 5% of total capital is okay for day trading. He's followed the risk management lesson, so it's not risky at all. Because you can see that if there's some stop loss order, that immediately after that or the day after that we have recover signal. So the main problem is just about your trading psychology. Yeah, not the day that you hit the strike of stop loss threat and you give up and find another community or another VIP members, VIP signal group. So it's not working if you're not have the sustainable mindset and patience. Yeah, I guess that they're misunderstanding. Yeah. Okay, so let's say now the market is heading to the above resistance in the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, every candle is kind of near, narrowed and small. Okay, so while waiting, we will check the forex calendar so that if are there any news today. Yeah, in the afternoon we will have core PPI month over month, and this is also the economic data reflected for US inflation. Now the forecast is also higher than previous. So this is the thought. Yeah, this is the thought that they vote for the higher inflation. Okay, so today we just have the core PPI, PPI month over month. Yeah, it's kind of far from our time to have streamed together. And if you want to trade news with me, yeah, as the same invitations that welcome to the VIP signal group. Because that time is very stressful. I need to pay 100% attention, yeah, to the VIP signal group, and also my community, yeah, to post the significant news to you, and also the public result. Thursday, Thursday we will have unemployment claims, yeah, and retail sales. This week is kind of busy, right? Okay, and on Friday, just have to speak of the member from FOMC and prelim UOM consumer sentiment. Anyway, that we can identify the price range movement of the day. We can increase our winning rate and reduce the risk. Yeah. Okay, so based on the yesterday CPI economic data, yeah, it was the positive for USD because the inflation is increasing. And this is also the refer number for today PPI. And also the forecast is higher than the previous. Okay, so markets refuse to increase and now it's still under the barriers, yeah, and heading to the above EMA. But now we need more clarified actions of the market. Wait until the market decided which size. And in my VIP signal group, yeah, the sell signal at the entry zone 41 to 42 is still active. $41. Just have a small trend line here. Yeah, there is a small trend line here, confluence with the below resistance. So it's kinda more and more narrow to the corner. Okay, so let's say that will price still follow this trend line or it will break out when it touches to the below resistance of EMA like this. Hi Muhammad, are those moving average or the indicators you're using? Oh, they are EMA. Yeah, this is the EMA. You can click to indicators and choose this multiple EMA. Yeah, it's different. It's a bit different from moving average. Yeah, click to this and then you change. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, this is the inputs that you need to change. 34.89 and 200. They act like the mobile resistance or support zone, and also for us to identify the market size, uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. Yeah. Okay, so it's touched to the EMA 200. Yeah, the blue line is the EMA 200. Okay, still heading down. And let's say that below here we can catch to another level to have the buy signal. Yeah, because we will base on the reactions at the below support. Okay, if you're busy with your work, you can listen to the stream, and sometimes meanwhile waiting for the market hit to another new entry zone, I will notice all of you. Yeah, I will notice all of you on my stream. Okay, so let's break some time. Yeah, let's have a short break. I'll be back soon. Hello friends, okay, I'm coming back. Oh, come on, be friends. Okay, so I can say that the situations is getting stressful. So come on, let's focus to the gold chart. Okay, so we were waiting for the market, and yeah, this is gonna be the limit order for all of you. Buy at the entry zone 33, 34. Okay, and another signal that we will have. Yeah, let's check for this trend line. Okay. For this zone, yeah, 34 to 33. 34 to 33, we will consider another sell signal. If it's break, yeah, it's break the current trend line and heading to the above level. Okay, so I just note for you to limit order for today in the London session. Okay, so this is a near right zone, so that we can believe, yeah, we can trust to set up another analysis and scalping signal today. Okay, and you can set the limit order, and good luck everyone. Okay, so it's heading back down, and I will also notice the below level for you. Yeah, that we will in for this trade around here. This should be changed into red. Okay, yeah. Two level, two specific level that we pay attention to the real-time trading today. Okay, hi Bear. Good morning. Because it's still in the early morning and yeah, just 10 a.m. in France. Okay, so yeah, currently that we have two limit orders, so you can set a limit and wait. Good luck to all of us. And no matter what your trading account is, yeah, the most important thing is learning. And every single day I upload the video that regarding to the my knowledge and trading experience to all of you on YouTube channel. So let's learn. Yeah, ignore any negative comment and just do it. Yeah, just do the correct way and you will have the good result. Okay, Josh. Yeah, it's my pleasure. Okay, so this is the EMA 34, yeah, 89 and 200. And the boldest line I set up is the EMA 200. Okay, and you can adjust the style and the color. Yeah, as long as you want. Morning tea. Yeah, morning tea. I guess that we should have brunch. Yeah, I mean the combinations between breakfast and lunch. Yeah. Okay, so is it okay for you to set up? Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, just remember the familiar numbers. Is that's okay? Hi, Alam. Yeah, thank you so much for joining my stream today. And currently, we have two limit order on the chart. And price still moving in a narrow range. So currently, we do not have any real-time signal. And now we just based on the previous support and resistance zone to set up the limit order. Oh, yeah, there's a red line. Okay, so yeah, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Yeah, I didn't notice to the button of the microphone. Mine showing four lines. Four lines. Oh, that's weird. Can you choose the correct script name? Yeah, this is the script name of this indicator that I'm using to on my trading view. Okay, yeah. Enter the correct script name. Yeah, because I can see that there's a lot of EMA indicator. Right, double EMA, triple EMA. Okay, I guess you are enter for this because there are four inputs. Yeah, there are four inputs here, but this is the one I choose. Okay, getting back to the setting. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the input. Okay, yeah, we need to pick the right one, and yeah, then we adjust the input condition. And style, yeah, I didn't change the style. I keep remain unchanged. And the boldest is the longest EMA, which is the EMA 200. Okay, my pleasure. Yeah, I hope that this will be the efficient method, yeah, efficient tool that we use to analysis. Oh, you prefer to sell, right? Yeah, because there's still have a small trend line here and it's still under the bearish control. But let's see. Yeah, let's see. Okay, good luck, Josh. And I hope that you can use it effectively. On mute, I'm still speaking and it's still my microphone is still on the blue, yeah, blue light. Oh, sometimes that. I guess I need to change into another mic. And sometimes keep silent and uh, do another things to meanwhile waiting for the market hit to our entry zone. It's audible and clear. Okay, so Charles, please check your device. Hi, new friends. Hello. Oh, so Muhammad, you're watching my stream at the office. So is this for you? Is this okay for you to observe it? Yeah, don't let the boss know it. Okay, so now it's back to the trend line. Yeah, the small trend line from the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, 20 pips left from the our entry zone. 20 pips missed from our entry zone, and now it's heading to 40. Okay, so no problem. Miss better than loss. Okay, so yeah, we're still waiting for above level. Yeah, 45 and 44. Okay, so I could like to turn off the microphone and wait for new signal. Yeah. Okay, so these are two levels that we are waiting to our entry zone. Yeah, this is the limit order. Okay, so I will not wait for you to observe well. Still not active. Yeah. Okay. Wait for two scalping signals today. You can't see the zone. What was it? Okay, so let me zoom it out. Okay, so be patient and yeah, just wait for this. Yeah, we are waiting. Yeah, so don't be FOMO at this time. Um, Hi, my friends. Hi, P. Our Telegram links did not expire. Yeah, I tried, and you copy that link and paste it to your saved message. Okay, you paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and then you click to it. Okay, and you cannot click directly from YouTube. It will uh, prevent you from logging to this link. Okay, just copy it and paste to the save message on Telegram, and you can click to it and subscribe me on Telegram. Okay, so it's heading to the above zone. Yeah, that is the reason why I do not advise you to be FOMO. I just saw that any friends that advise you to enter the entry zone 41 to 40. Okay, so don't scam on my stream today. Do you do live every day? Actually not every day. Yeah, for a week I usually have 3 schedule: Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today I will have stream with you around 4 hours. Yeah, it's longer than other days. On Monday and Friday, yeah, I need more time to focus on my Telegram community and also my VIP signal group. So just 1 hour trade real time together. But on Tuesday, on Wednesday, yeah, today every Wednesday I will try to arrange more time to have live trading with you. Alright, so it's still not active for the current signal. Yeah, just wait. Down it goes. Okay, so no problem. You know what, in my previous stream, yeah, I still remember for the 10 hours continuous trading real time together, it's gonna take you an hour to wait for the signal active. Yeah, so this is when we be patient with the market, even though we're scalpers, but it's not always can set up the good position or scalping signal. And in the New York session, there's gonna be more chance to have the real-time trading. But in the London and Asian session, yeah, the price movement will slower. Yeah, it's gonna be slower than New York session. Oh, right. So may I know which entry you are in? Super Scalper Jaws. Alright. Yeah, in the beginning, before I start the stream, right? Before I start the stream, yeah, that entry zone was gaining around 60 pips. Alright. running BE. Yes, at the moment it's not reached to current to scalping signal. And the entry zone that Josh talked about was active before I started my stream. Yeah, only for VIP members. And if you want to receive the more scalping signals, yeah, like Josh, welcome my VIP signal group. Okay, so it's now having the reactions at the previous entry zone, yeah, of our cell signal. Yeah, there's no requirement to join the VIP signal group at all. Just have a small fee. Yeah, just have a small fee for me to operate the community. Yeah, I believe that this is the reasonable fee for you to offer. Okay, so P, did you just send me the private message on Telegram? Yeah, now at the moment, I prefer paying through USDT or Skrill. Yeah, USDT or Skrill. And less than $50 for a month. That is the fee that I'm talking about. And there are two VIP signal. One is focused on gold and one is focused on currency pair mostly. Yeah, that's it called Forex Platinum. And the Forex Platinum fees is lower a bit from gold VIP signal group. But it depends to your favorite, yeah, to your trading favor. Yeah, USDT is best. Yeah, it's the public way for you to pay for every fee. Okay, hang on, it's still moving sideways from the entry zone 40. And for this buy signal, yeah, I would like to adjust the entry zone a bit. Okay. Below level is better for us after considering 31.5. Okay, so let's say that in the case that we're afraid to miss this entry, yeah, the signal, we can consider another sell at 33.43. Yeah, 33.43. Stop loss at 33.14.8. Okay, let's continue moving sideways. How to use the indicator? Okay, so on the chart, I only use the EMA, EMA indicator. Okay, this is the script name. You need to find exactly like this. Yeah, Mr. Eric Huang. This is the script name. Okay, can you find it? Yeah, thank you so much, Josh, for replying above question for me. Okay, so you click to that name and on the setting, yeah, input, you enter this number. Yeah, win rate percentage, I make sure for you around more than 70% for a week. Yes, more than 70 to 90% for a week. Yeah, based on the week, because I realized that recently the market is kind of challenging. So some days, yeah, we fell to the market, but after that, yeah, like yesterday, the market support us, support for our analysis, and some even day that is zero loss. And the best time to calculate the win rate based on weekly. Okay. Yeah, you can say that in the 5 minute time frame, the candle has very thin body. Yeah, this is another pin bar candle, and the market continue its sideways momentum. Okay, Hassan. Yeah, and I hope that you can use it well. And it's very easy to identify the market trend. Okay, so do you understand the meaning of EMA yet? If not, I will explain to you. And if you already knew, yeah, I will not say it. I will not repeat. Okay, how can I read it? Yeah. Okay, so I will explain for you in the 5 minute time frame. If you can see the candle above the EMA, yeah, which means EMA below the candle, that's indicating for the uptrend. Yeah, you can see that it's increasing for this period, right? And when the candle moving on, yeah, move on the EMA, so this indicates that the market's moving sideways. Yeah, sideways. Yeah, like this period. And when on the candle above the EMA cluster, yeah, this is indicates for the downtrend. Okay, so that's the first thing, identify the trend of the market based on using EMA. And the next purpose by using EMA is that you can see that EMA like the mobile support or resistance. Yeah, mobile support or resistance. So when the EMA below the candle is acting like the mobile support. Yeah, and when it's on, when it above to the candles, it's acting like the mobile resistance. Okay, mobile resistance. And the third purpose when I use EMA to do analysis is identify the setup. Yeah, the setup for scalping signal. Of course, confluence with other conditions like trend lines or resistance or support zone. Yeah, confluence with other factors. And whenever the EMA form a crossover like this is the signal for you that the market reverse. Yeah, you can see that this candle, this is the bullish engulfing candle, and it's break to the crossover of the EMA, and this is the confirmation for the current uptrend. Yep, it's for a short time because it's in a 5-minute time frame, and you can also use it in the big time frame like 1 hour, 4 hour, or even daily time frame to understand the meaning of EMA. Yeah, it's harder for everybody this time. Okay, so that is the three purpose that I'm used EMA to identify the market trend. First is the market trend. Second is the mobile support or resistance. Yeah, to identify the reactions whenever it's come closer to the EMA. And the third purpose is identify the setup. Yeah, the entry zone, confluence with other factors. Yeah, this is the required conditions. Yeah, because we cannot use it alone. And just the basic combo with the basic knowledge about resistance, support zone, trend line, yeah, something like that, and we can set up a reliable scalping signal. Yeah. Okay, and one more tip for using EMA. Yeah, I guess that beginners do not know about this. Okay, you can pay attention to this period whenever the candle move far away from the EMA. Okay, whenever the candle move far away from the EMA, it's always coming back to touch to the EMA. Yeah, and then it's reversed. So it can be goes too far away from the EMA, like oversell or overbought. So this is another condition for you to identify the market. Whenever it's kind of far away from the current EMA, it will tend to come back. Yeah, it's good tend to come back and touch to the EMA. Okay, so do you understand the meaning that using EMA to identify the market? Yeah, to do the analysis with EMA. Can't hear anything? Oh, really? I didn't mute that. Okay, so no worries, I will repeat it. Okay, if the cross, we wait for it to come back the zone. Yeah, cross for the entry is need confluence with another conditions. Yeah, like the support or resistance or trend line crossover with the EMA. And one is move far away from the EMA. You can see that for this example, for this period, this one. Okay, change the color, more transparent for you to see. Yeah, this is kind of far away from the current EMA 34, right? but it's always heading back and touch to the EMA whenever it's moved far away from the current one. So yeah, we always we can use it to identify the momentum and the market momentum, and predict to when it's coming back to touch the EMA. Yeah, it's like a magnet. EMA is acting like a magnet with a candle, and it cannot move far away, too much far away from the EMA. Actually, Bollinger Band cannot use, especially trading news. Yeah, especially when you trade news, Bollinger Bands is useless. Yeah, to be honest, Bollinger Band is useless. And I realized that EMA is more effective for me when we trade, and this is also the good indicators when I used to trade news. Yeah. And for me, I do not need too much indicator on the chart. Yeah, actually that I do not need too much indicator on the chart. Bollinger Band is just the conditions that for the overbought or oversold area, and you can identify by the previous support or resistance zone. Okay, so sometimes we do not need to use Bollinger Band. And you can see that for some of the photos that my trading results share with you on the chart that also show the Bollinger Band. That also depends to which account that I set up on the phone. So yeah, it also depends to my favorite. Yeah, some account I want to show Bollinger Band, but some account I want to show EMA only. Yeah, so sometimes you will see it. You will see Bollinger Band appear on my trading platform. Yeah, trading result. Yeah, I used EMA 200 as well. Yeah, you can see that this bold blue lines is to EMA 200. Because it's long enough for us to set up the signal. Because this is the result of the 200 previous candle, right? So this is the input. Yeah, I will show you again. This is the input I show for you on the chart. RSI MACD. Yeah, like I just said, I use confluence with other indicators. No, sorry, other analysis like support, resistance, trend line. Okay, so this is everyone's favorite, right? Everyone's favorite, and it also depends to the style of trading method, trading strategy. And like I just said, that of course I usually set up based on the more conditions confluence together. Yeah, I do not use solo EMA. Yeah, I do not use EMA alone. Every scalping signal I set up on the chart, usually more than 2 conditions confluence together to set up the entry zone. And EMA is just the only indicators that I use on the chart. And MACD or RSI, yeah, of course I can use it together. I can use them together. But to predict the complicated chart and make it simple for you to observe the running movement of the candle, so I do not show too much indicators on the chart. And actually RSI is very difficult to use because you have to remember the pattern and also the how to impose it in real-time trading. And sometimes you cannot remember so quickly because when price moving steadily, especially in the New York session, right? You cannot remember the pattern every single time, and RSI is really difficult for you to decide to use it to be your trading strategy. And on my stream, I realized that many beginners, many freshers join in my stream. So I would like to use the most basic indicators and also analysis to help you easy in understanding. Yeah, help you easy in understanding. Besides that, another tool around, like Fibonacci or Dow theory, will also be used in my technical analysis as well. Yeah, I hope all of you understand this. Yeah, the best thing simply is the best for me. Yeah, so sometimes we do not need too much complicated indicators, and yeah, so simple is the best. Alright, now the market is still moving sideways at the previous entry zone that my VAB signal group gains around 70 pips. Okay, so it's gonna take some time, and whenever it's hitting to the above level around 34 or 40 43, yeah, we can consider to enter small lot, just to afraid we miss the above entry zone 45 to 44. Okay, I guess that I need I need some water. Okay, see you then. Hello everyone, I'm back. Okay, so it's near to the entry zone 43. 6 pips left. All right. Let's see this time the market hit our first entry zone at the 43 or not. So anyone have a sell scalping signal at the entry zone 41 to 42? Do you close it? Because this is the second reaction at this level, so I cannot rely anymore. So that is the reason why I did not advise you to re-enter. And if you re-enter, just for the small profit, because that levels is not reliable to have the long profit, big profit. Yeah. Okay, so nearly 1.5 minutes that this candle will close, and okay, just wait a little bit more. Okay, another question about the taking profit, right? And at the same formula, yeah, the very familiar formula that around 30 pips, you can consider close the part of the trade and wait for the market to have a bigger further reactions. At the moment, it cannot break to the 43 level. Yeah, so far it cannot break to the 43 level. So, if it's triggered to the 45 level, our target around 39. Yeah, 39. This the current EMA zone. If you wish, okay, you can do yourself. You can do the analysis by yourself and just practice with it. And if you're not confident, yeah, just enter with a small lot. Now on my stream, I just advise my signal. Yeah, according to my signal. Okay, so it's nearly to 33 level of 43 level, 33, 43 level. So just wait for a few pips. This one, 43. And if you're afraid to miss, okay, you can enter with small lot. So anyone in the entry zone around 42.5? Yeah, this time the market challenge our patience. Okay, Josh, you're active. Yeah, it seems like the highest level as the 42.7. Okay, so just a few 3 pips. Yeah, 3 pips from your entry zone. Okay, I guess it's just fine. I have placed order for 3 and waiting. Okay. Yeah, this time the market challenging our patience, and yeah, we shouldn't be. Yeah, I do not encourage you to FOMO this time. You're less patient. Yeah, lost patient. Target. Okay. Target as always. Yeah, I guess that you're just join in my stream not often, right? 30 pips, close a part of the trade. 50 pips is our next target. 80 pips. And open. So at least we gain 30 pips. So this is the same formula. Yeah, familiar formula for every scalpers. Yeah, okay. It's fine. So this is the formula that everyone should understand and remember. Okay, Josh, your signal is running around 10 pips, and mine was not active. Okay, congratulations, Josh. Yeah, no problem. Okay, I just saw that it's active. Our entry zone 43.1. Okay, so this time we are looking forward to is running profit. Okay, yeah. It's bearish. It's going down. There you go, boom. Okay, so this sounds familiar, right? Okay, so but that if you have friends, if you have friends started trading and learning, okay, so don't forget to share my channel to them. Okay, thank you very much. All right, drop it down near 20 pips for us. Okay. Go, go. Hello, Bear. There you go. So did you enter, right? Did you enter this trade already, right? Okay, I can't wait to publish the result. Alright, just near 20 pips. Okay, no matter. Going down, going down. Okay, so now 20 pips, not near anymore. Oh, Ruben, yeah. It's also have the broker spread, right? Put hammer on charge. Okay, I'm glad that all of you have profit for the first entry zone today. Zero plus spread. Price on trading views is the most accurate. Yeah, it's the most accurate. 25 pips. 25 pips. Actually, that if they told you zero spread, but zero spread, but there's still some fee. Yeah, some hidden fee that you did not recognize. Okay, still heading down, and let's say that it's going to touch the below EMA. Yeah, the magnet EMA below here is making the candle close together, close to it. Okay, so now the market moving sideways, and it really takes time for us to wait, right? So I hope that this is the good beginning for our stream today. Yeah, so let you have profits and together trade news with Golden Girl today. Yeah, in the New York session, a few minutes, a few hours ago, a few hours later. Yeah, exactly. They have your trick thinking is zero. Yeah, it's definitely hidden chart that you didn't know. Okay, once again, yeah, the question relating to EMA. Okay, you click to indicators and find for this script name. Yeah, EMA by Eric, right? Multiple EMA by Eric, and then on the setting. Yeah, this is the input number that you need to enter. Okay, you need to find the correct script name. To use the one save mine. Uh, I'm afraid not, because I will end my stream. Let me check. Around 2 hours later. Yeah, before before the news release. So if you want to trade news with me, welcome to the VIP Signal group. And there are not any conditions to join in, just a few fees for me to pay for the operation cost. Alright, now gold is continues heading down a bit slowly, but as long as it's still heading down. Thank you, Batek, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, so I can see that there's a lot of joy for today from my friends' comments. Okay, Hassan, yeah. Yesterday was a very big win day, right? Touch good. So I hope that every single day the market stops challenging us. Yeah, we're just too tired when the market keep on challenging and manipulated, because it just sweep the stop loss and then it's reverse. So annoyed and irritated. Okay guys, yeah, officially 30 pips for us from this trade, and as usual you can close a part of the trade and hold the rest to the further taking profit. Alright, 35 heading down. I need a bearish engulfing candle. Yeah, okay, keep on going. 35 pips. Yeah, because price moves slowly, so I just calculated step by step. Yeah, every 5 pips I will update to you. Yeah, just to getting bored. Okay, thank you so much, Josh. Thank you, Bear. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. So far that we do not hope that it go up slowly. Now it's going down slowly. Okay, you can see the chart. Remember, close the part of your trade, and if you have the not good position, yeah, you can close it as well. Yeah, hit the FVG area from this candle, right? This bullish candle. Okay, so let's see for this candle form after a few 1.5 minutes. Alright, nearly 2 hours, so that this signal active. Yeah, you can see that whenever the market moving sideways is always challenge our patience. And this week I still have one more stream scheduled to have to live trading with you on this Friday. Okay, so every week I will try to have stream with you around 3 days. So now the market is moving kind of slowly in the Asian and London session. So in the New York one, we need to pay highly attention to the market. Yeah, because like a swing. And you can see now it's gradually going up, right? Gradually going up. But below here, there's still FVG area, yeah, fair value gap area. So our target is around 37 target. 37 target. And if you're afraid this signal uh, hit to the above stop loss, yeah, you can move your stop loss to the entry zone. Yeah, set break even. Because when you do that, it will reduce the winning rate from the further taking profit. And also, it will help you increase your safe trading. Yeah. Safety is always the best. Anyway, it depends to your choice. For me, that I still love trading news because that time the market easily to bring profit in a minute to us. And yesterday in the New York session, that's for one scalping signal that our team, our VIP signal group, gaining around 260 pips for just a few minutes. So today in the PPI news, core PPI news, that I hope that the market will also bring profit to us like yesterday. Okay, so now, it just have the natural reactions when it touched to below EMA, acting like the mobile support. And also taking profit from the scalpers or the scalpers. Okay, so just a few bullish momentum. Now it's starting with and continue a bearish one. Okay, so this trade, just close apart and just left for the market run. I guess that the momentum of this trade is continue moving slowly like before. Like the way we wait for this signal active. Okay, So no, you cannot, because so at the moment they're not good position for you. Okay, so you will wait for another chance. After first taking profit, you can move the stop loss to your entry zone, which usually called break even. Yeah, set the break even. Okay, my pleasure. Yeah, you can close the bad position. Close the bad positions and hold for the good one only. Alright, near 40 pips for us. Heading down. Yeah, we need a very more strong bullish momentum, bearish momentum right now. Take out a weekly low. Come on. Come on. Okay, very near to 40 pips. Yeah, you can see that this is the bright zone of gold. 43 to 36. Yeah, this is where. Yeah, I have many trading accounts, and one of them I will let the technical team to do it. Yeah, to trade instead of me. You know, I cannot manage well for all. Yeah, of course. And I have a few friends support me for the other things. Yeah, and everything's still under control. Of course. Weekly low, Fibonacci. Okay, on a 4-hour chart. But that level is still far away from our current price, right? So we just care and pay attention to the current signal. Yeah. Okay, so I just explained to you there's not good position for you to in, so let's wait for another chance. Okay, so don't be FOMO this time. I trust. What is HNS? Yeah, I don't understand the word you shorten. Okay, just let it. Do not re-enter. Do not re-enter because we still have another levels above 45 to 44. Yeah, now it's still stuck in the box that I draw for you on the rectangle on the chart. Yeah, so just wait and observe for the chart running. Head and shoulder pattern. Yeah. Head and shoulder. Okay. Yeah, it's similar, but okay. So based on our current signal, that yeah, we can believe that it's forming a head and shoulder pattern. But you can see that the above top is higher than the previous one. And I still bet to the market the below fair value gap here and heading to below EMA also. Yeah, you can see that this continue forming a very thin body candles. But the previous one have very long shadow above. Yeah, it's still under the bearish momentum, but it's still not clearly. Yeah, still do not indicate for the strong determination. And today London sessions, the price is gonna move between the range that I indicate on the chart. Yeah, 44 to 40, 30, yeah, 44 to 30. Josh, you wake up so early. So you don't gonna sleep? Or you gonna sleep in the morning? How each function? Okay, so the boldest one is EMA 200. Yeah, the value of the average 200 previous candle. And the next is 89, EMA 89. Yeah, the same meaning with the 200 is 89 previous candles. And the shortest one was 34. Those are still react as the mobile support or resistance. And I will calculate it, yeah, based on the crossover. You can see now it's forming a crossover between two EMA 200 and EMA 34. Yeah, this is easily to get the market reverse in this area, reverse to opposite momentum. And the basic, yeah, the function of those three EMA is to identify the market trend. And relating to setting up scalping signal based on EMA 200 is more reliable and sustainable than shorter EMA. So that is the function. Yeah, that is the function, the simplest function of EMA that I can give for you. I can explain for you. Oh, I guess that is not low because I speak lower. Yeah. Okay, so if you set up the signal based on the EMA 200, it's gonna be more reliable and of course in a bigger time frame. Yeah, like 1 hour or 4 hour. It's gonna be more sustainable and reliable than the short one. But because we are Scalper, using the analysis based on the 5 minute or 15-minute time frames, it's okay for us to set up any scalping signal by using EMA. But the longest EMA around 200 will be more reliable than the shorter one. And now you can see that price still have the current bearish bullish reaction with the EMA 34. Yeah, even though it's short. Yeah, it's just the average number of 34 previous candle, but it still have the reactions, yeah, satiety reactions at this area. All right, I try to okay, so it's just change a bit. Yeah, okay, so can you hear me now? I just try to lower my voice and you cannot hear me well, right? Okay, so just want to save a bit energy to nearly 1 hour left. Okay, so now it's heading back to the entry zone. Gradually increasing. It's too far away. Oh. And today in the New York session, when we have the PPI economic data release, I guess that it's gonna be a sell signal. Yeah, sell signal for the current trading news. Yeah, today PPI, because it's heading to the above level, near to the previous peak. Okay. Yeah, super low. Super low because I'm a bit tired because nearly 3 hours speaking. Yeah. Sometimes for even a day I didn't say a word. I didn't say a word. Can you believe that? And for such a long stream, it's like a big efficient for me. Yeah, so sometimes it's gonna be a bit tired. So I hope to receive your understanding. Thank you very much. Okay, my friends, uh were you talking on my chat box? Okay, so bring peace, peace, peace to my stream. You can hire me, I will speak on behalf of you. Oh, you're so funny. My friend, you're so funny. Yeah, full of humorous sense of humor. Yeah. Yeah, the markets make us so sleepy. We just get around 40 pips. Yeah, near 40 pips, and now it's reversed and it's heading to the lower point or above resistance. Yes, to follow the big channel. Yes. Okay, let's check the daily time frame. Okay, price is getting more and more narrowed. Now the range is getting narrowed and waiting for the exposed. above level at 3381 is waiting for gold is breakout. Recently, there's still a lot of news relating to tariffs, policy tariffs, and geopolitical tensions is keep on increasing. So there's more chance that gold is heading to the above level. And you can see that in a daily time frame, gold is still moving in an uptrend, and this is the market moving sideways, and temporary adjustment of gold. And for the recent day that the market is just moving sideways, and for some days like today, that there's not too much scalping signal to set up. Because the range of gold is moving kind of narrowed. Okay, so it's heading to above level around 41. Anyone close the trade already, or you still hold the rest to the further taking profit? Oh, where's the signal? I need to put it closer. Where's the signal? Okay, it's over here. So this is the hatest thing that I usually do. Every single time I adjust to, I change into the bigger time frame, and going back to the smaller one, I need to adjust the text, the text position. Okay, BE hit. You close. And it's getting more and more near to the above level, right? 43. What's bug? My friend, what are you talking about a bug? Do you mean the adjusting the text position? Do you mean that? Today PPI. And whenever the market moving sideways with a narrow range, like in the London session, it's gonna be have a big volatility, like yesterday in the New York session. So today New York session is, I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, I see, but I guess that obviously that it needs to change. I guess that just a few person report or leave comment about this inconvenience thing. It's stuck in the box. PPI will explode. Yeah, you can see that it's forming higher lows here, higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. Good for USD because of yesterday we have the CPI economic data, right? You calculate based on it. You refer. Okay, so let's have a break before gold having further reaction. Yeah. Okay, so anyone still hold the trade? Yeah, now it's dropping to lower level, but still have the reactions, bullish reactions at the below right zone. $48, $38, $38. Finally, Josh, are you still in the game? Anyone? Anyone still in the game? Okay. Hi, Shadows. Okay, so it's super scap, right? Just small profit, but safety. Our TP, yes, as I just mentioned previously, the recent taking profit is around 37. Yeah, and below we will have 35. But now it's have the bounce back based on the below EMA confluence with near trend line here. Yeah, so this is the answer. This is the reason why going to have a bullish reaction. Yeah, but now it's kindly is likely have lower chance to hit around 35 because it's still you can see that it's formed. Yeah, the market forms the higher highs and higher lows already. Yeah, with this channel, you can see the blue. No, not green. Yeah, green lines, green dash on the chart. And if you want still in the game, yeah, if you want in the game, okay, so just set the stop loss tightly and let the market run. Okay. Oh wow, the market yeah, break down to the trend line below. So we have, yeah, 37 level, 37.5. Okay, so it's break the higher lows and yeah, heading to the below area. We still have another buy signal at the entry zone 31.5 to 30. Okay, so this is can be considering as our further taking profit. Gear icon mixer. Filter at gain filter. Okay, so how is it now? How is it now? Because I need to speak louder. That is gonna be okay, right? And there's also a sound bar on the OBS chart. Okay, so I'm not sure. How many lots should we take? This question also depends to your trading account. Yeah, and just follow the 1 to 2% risk management lesson. 1 to 2% rule. Never risk for more than 1 to 2% for every trade. Okay, so I guess that only need to speak louder. Yeah, that microphone will work okay. Okay, so it's heading down. Okay, let's see. So now it's break to below EMA or not. Okay, Beth, so did you re-enter after you closed the trade? Alright, thank you for your feedback. It's break down the trend line. Heading to the above level. Yeah, maybe our entry zone around 31.5. Oh, this is the missed typo. 32. Okay, so I just revised the entry zone at buy area. Below. Oh, okay, after checking, yeah, the previous one was not wrong. Okay, it's correct. 30 level. Okay, you can do it. Shadows, yeah, you can do it. Now I still believe in my below signals. Yeah. Because it officially break the trend line that I draw on the chart, and also, yeah, the current candle closed below the EMA 200 and EMA 89. Yeah. High probability to hit our below entry zone for buy signal. And luckily, yeah, you can see that on the chart that first time I'm gonna let you enter to the sell signal at the entry zone 45 to 44, but yeah, then I change. I encourage you to sell earlier a bit. Okay, so as now 43 level is the highest level in today's session. Heading down. Fifty-five pips is running. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Hassan. Yeah, this is gonna be happen all the time. Yes, like I just said. If you decided to move the stop loss to the entry zone, That is when you reduce the chance of winning for for the taking profit. Yeah, and if you want to risk with the market and increase your winning rate, just keep the stop loss the same. Yeah, so we have two choices. Yeah, the first one is the safety one. So no worries that safety is the best in this trading journey. So I encourage for that mindset. Okay, so I can't believe that today, nearly 4 hours, that we just have one active signal and just very small profits than I expected. Okay, so I guess that the market is waiting for a big boom. Yeah, big bang in today Asian session. Oh, sorry, in today New York session. Okay, so if the market's running slowly like this, I could like to off the stream earlier a bit. Yeah, to get ready before we enter to the most severe trading market. Yeah, trading session of the day, New York one. And okay, so thank you very much for everyone joining in my stream today. And congratulations once again for the profits, no matter what, it's big or small. Yeah, as long as we have profit together, right? And because the market moving sideways and it's kind of boring, so I could like to off a bit earlier. Okay, thank you very much. And see you next time. Yeah, this Friday, real time trading together. Thank you so much. Thank you. And anyone want to trade with me in the trade news? Yeah, trade news with me. Welcome to the VIP Signal Group, as always. Okay, once again, thank you very much. Oh, it's not tomorrow. It's I will stream again on Friday. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive the notification whenever I turn on my stream. Okay, remember this Friday. Goodbye. Have a good day.